In the heart of India's Silicon Valley, Bangalore is witnessing a surge in industrial growth, with industrial shed fabrication playing a pivotal role in shaping the city's manufacturing landscape. At the forefront of this industrial revolution stands SCON Design India PVT Ltd, a beacon of innovation and quality in the realm of industrial infrastructure. SCON Design India has carved a niche for itself in the competitive world of industrial shed fabrication, offering a blend of cutting-edge technology and time-honored craftsmanship. Their state-of-the-art facilities hum with activity, as skilled engineers and technicians work tirelessly to bring architectural visions to life. From the initial blueprint to the final rivet, SCON's commitment to excellence is evident in every project they undertake. The company's portfolio spans a wide array of industrial structures, each tailored to meet the unique needs of Bengaluru's diverse industrial sector. Whether it's a sprawling warehouse for e-commerce giants or a compact production unit for tech startups, SCON Design India's expertise shines through in the precision of